The hard truth in the engine room. Stress but calm and honest assistant engineer. Panic wants to hide problem.
The engine room used a storm sound effect and dim. Light shouting over the noise, cheap fuel light ruptured. If we take the coupling engine is there during force 8 storm. It's going to lose it, can we just say? With its testing power.
No, sincerity is just about being a good person. It's about survival. I give him false hope that will have power in 5 minutes. He won't call for a tugboat or prep the anchor. He's keep us broadside to the wave.
Chief, I need those RPM now. We're drifting toward the reef. Give someone good news.
Captain, I have no good news. We have a major foil and line ruptured. I'm being 100% sincere. The engine is dead for at least 3 hours. Do not count on us. Hard truth in the engine room. Stress but calm and honest assistant engineer. Panic want to hide the problem.